As everyone is here, we're so happy. This is the place. Beautiful. Shit. This is beautiful. This is one of the bedrooms. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's the balcony area. I'm like sad that I'm showing you guys this at night, but you guys will see in the morning again. And like the ocean is actually, yeah, you guys will see. The girlies are making dinner for us.
Yeah. I think we need.
This is the downstairs area. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then you like when you look up, it's like where we were standing, which is the top. Whoa, I'm a feature. I can't one dinner. Looks so good. Guys, the upstairs is so cute. So here's the food that we eat. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let's ignore my voice. There's a lot going on. It is Friday today. Yesterday was Thursday, by the way, and I didn't give you guys a proper update. Let me actually do a proper intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yada. Yes, that's what it is, YADA. And I know you guys are here to what? You guys are here to stay. And to my 10 subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. You just had to. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and share to your family and friends, okay? This is Spend the Weekend With Me grad edition. It's my friend's graduation, and you guys saw that we made it to the house, the Airbnb that was booked. So you guys are just going to spend this weekend with me celebrating my friend. I will always post when I'm celebrating people in my life. You guys saw that I posted my two friends' 21st birthdays. So it's Tato's 21st. It was Tato's 21st birthday, and now it's her graduation. Yeah, that's basically what's going on right now. It is currently like 5 something a.m. and we all have to be up because we need to get ready. So I'm gonna go shower now and then get ready. I'm just worried about the fact that I don't have a blazer, I don't have a jersey. Update! I am done. This is my full outfit. Okay. Yeah, let's go to Toronto. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
So I'm making breakfast. So that's plain yogurt, and I'm just gonna have it with pineapples and real mangoes, and then I'm gonna have a croissant with ham. Guys, I'm just trying to like increase my food intake.
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh, but still.
The weather's terrible.
Yeah, I know.
And you thought it's gonna tear up.
But it was like this. We're in such a rush. Lewu. It's a video. Guys, we here to support our friend
And my sister.
so we're waiting in line because someone is speaking and they don't open the doors when someone's speaking, as in the graduates are all the way that side. We're leaving campus now and we're on our way to Zeitz Mocaa for the photo shoot. We're off to Zeitz Mocaa for... You know, the music is gonna copyright me. Yeah. Hey y'all, we're at Zeitz Mocaa. Well, that's where we're heading to. We're almost there actually. Subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Down. I'm joking, there's nothing that's down. We're just back in the rooms taking a quick power nap. We're all gonna sleep facing up because we're gonna sleep like that because we're not trying to ruin our makeup because no one wants to read their makeup. I did say I'm gonna show you guys the view during the day. It's so beautiful. So pretty. I think tomorrow we're gonna like go down to the water.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the bay, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find a light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
siyazidla ngawo. Ngunompumelelo uma hamba evula kuBhayibheli. Uphumalanga sikho. Omuhle ngisho ophakamisa nokuqhakambisa isizwe. Bona abazali bakho.
Even when you're gone, we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All is going on. In the song.
Great is your mercy towards me. Your love and kindness towards me. Your tender mercies I see. First, I know that money was put into this time as well. So I appreciate each and every single one of you being here. I think I'd like to start off by giving the longest time, and I'm so proud. My little sister, my little brother, I love you guys so much. You guys mean the world to me. I did work in life as well.
Good morning. It is the day after the graduation. We went out last night, but I didn't vlog that. So today we were just chilling most of the day, and now we are marinating meats because we're gonna bride. Not us, but there's gonna be a bride. So yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So this is the chicken all marinated, and then we're gonna marinate lamb, and that's pork chops. I'm walking. What time is it?
It is 5:30.
It's 5:05, and we're off to the beach side.
The beach.
Here's all the girlies.
Morning.
Yeah, good morning.
But in our vlogging era.
Bruh, can you see how I'm walking? We just took a Polaroid.
I think
A friend is someone you can tell bad news to, and they won't tell you why you're an idiot, and they won't interfere with your suffering. They'll just listen, and maybe they'll suffer along with you. Okay, so you can tell bad news to them, and they won't tell you some worse thing that happened to them. They'll listen, and they'll suffer along with you. But a friend is also someone you can tell good news to, and the friend will say, wow, in this veil of tears, something good happened to you. Great, man. It's rare. It's unlikely. Good for you. I hope 10 more things like that happen. And they're not envious, and they're not jealous, and they're not one-upping you.
Get you some people that will go and get you, man. Like when you going through it, they like, where my man at? I got him. Get around some real folks, man. Because every day, every second, is cats checking out and saying, you know what? I yield. And they waving that white flag.
Need a bit of lighting, eh?
That flashlight is good enough.
wings and
This is today's dinner.
Oh yes.
See how much food? Can you see how much food we have, right? We still forgot the ribs. Big back trend. Please look at her. In front of his tato.
Patience, yeah. There's and then there's Miss Universe, and then there's Miss World. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Wait,
a
Miss.
country.
Did you say the word Miss?
No, I didn't say. I said.
You're not okay. Okay.
She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow. She's a jolly good fellow of
Everyone, can you please excuse the fact that I'm wearing a bonnet? Today is the last day of the vlog and it's Sunday. People are leaving, they're going back to Joburg. So yeah, this is, oh, I feel like I look tired. Anyway, this is the last day of the vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. I enjoyed recording it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll end it a bit later in the day because we're still gonna do some stuff. So yeah. And today is a beautiful sunny day. I wish it was this sunny yesterday because we would have been able to go to the beach like proper. But anyway, so happy to be here.
That's almost.
We're leaving.
Sorry.
Leo's leaving.
If they say no. Yeah, it's hard.
We'll see her in June.
Stop.
Bye.
Love you.
Oh, Sana.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in the bay.